Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Carousel. First, let's add the carousel component to your canvas. You can find it in the Insert panel. Once placed, you'll see its basic structure. We'll then adjust its initial properties, like the number of visible items and the direction of scrolling. This foundational setup is crucial for building any interactive carousel experience within Framer. Now, let's fill your carousel with engaging content. You can drag any Framer frame or component directly into the carousel. Next, we'll add navigation elements such as arrows and page indicators, making it easy for users to browse. We'll also explore setting up an autoplay feature, allowing your carousel to advance slides automatically after a few seconds. Customizing the look of your carousel is key to matching your design. We'll dive into styling the navigation arrows and pagination dots, changing their colors, sizes, and shapes. You can also fine-tune the spacing between individual carousel items and adjust their alignment. These options allow you to create a visually cohesive and branded carousel experience. Finally, let's explore some advanced techniques to elevate your carousel. You can add custom animations to slide transitions, creating unique visual effects as content changes. We'll also touch on connecting your carousel to data sources for dynamic content population, which is great for large projects. Remember to optimize your assets for smooth performance, ensuring a seamless user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.